so excited. My girl Anna is here. We're excited to offer you the Cricut Maker cutting machine set. You want to talk about the ultimate smart machine, unlimited creativity. We are the first to market with this, and it is totally versatile, as it always is, with this expandable suite of tools. It's an exclusive configuration right now. It handles a large variety of materials, and most of you already know that, but when it comes to precision cutting, nothing beats the Cricut Maker. We have the launch of 3 brand new tools, the Wavy, the Debossing tool, the engraving tool, so you've got even more versatility. And look at the awesome colors. We have the brand new lilac. It's a huge value with over $80 in savings today. Don't pay $449, don't pay $462, pay $379.95 with us and utilize FlexPay to be able to make it more simple for you. $5 to ship everything in your cart on our wonderful crafting day. We're gonna take you through the colors, but let's go through colors first, all right? You want to go through colors first, Miss Anna?
Yes, let's do.
All right, let's do that. So we're going to start you off. At the end there, we have the beautiful mint color. Look at that. I love the pastel-y, beautiful colors. That next we have
It's champagne.
Ooh, love champagne. Look at that.
In the morning for breakfast.
Nothing beats that. If we slide over towards the center, we have the lilac. That's the brand new.
That's the beautiful pastel color, and it's such a gorgeous lilac.
Oh my gosh.
It's not too bright, it's not too dull.
I love it.
Just
You know what? It's sleek and it's sophisticated, it's awesome. And then of course behind that one would be our blue, which is kind of it's like a light blue, beautiful blue. And then finally we have the rose. And we are so excited. Anna, thank you so much for being here with us today. This is a special day for us and for everybody out there because they get the opportunity to have a wonderful, wonderful machine.
They do. Well, no, Cricut has been the world leader in the DIY cutting space for years now.
Ever.
So we have, we have launched the entire Cricut family of products here on HSN, and today is really special because not only do we have a brand new color, but the machine is coming with 5 tools, okay? 2 of them you know and love. One is the fine point blade, and the next one is our rotary blade. That comes standard with the machine in the world, okay? But today you're getting 3 brand new tools, turning your Cricut Maker into not only something that can draw and score and cut, it can now engrave, deboss, and cut decal wavy edges. That's amazing.
That's a big deal.
So you're getting 3 mats. You're getting all 3. You're getting the LightGrip and the FabricGrip and the StrongGrip mats, tools and materials to get you started right out of the box. But this is what's really unique about getting 5 tools with the Maker, okay? Because it has this very special adaptive tool system, all right? So the Maker is the top of the line of the Cricut products, meaning that it's got 10 times the cutting pressure of all the other Cricut machines, okay? But this adaptive tool system is designed to grow with you as Cricut releases new tools, okay? Isn't that pretty? This is our engraving tip. This is also called the housing for that tip, meaning that it has quick snap technology, okay? You press the button, it releases the tip, you change what you want to do in the press of a button. Now, isn't that just pretty remarkable?
Yes.
So an engraving tip, I'm going to show you this. This is what it's going to do. You're going to be able to engrave designs on metal. So think about aluminum. This is right up your alley.
Yeah.
Right?
Love it.
Aluminum.
For the tops of my candles, for the aluminum caps on top, I could engrave.
You can. We should do that. I don't have a top, but we could do that today.
All right.
So engraving, you're thinking about cutting designs into plastic, acetates, the things that this is going to draw like a pen, but it's going to etch that design. All right, so it's a press, swap, and go experience. So I'm going to press, right? And I'm going to remove that tool, and I'm going to add my second one, which is the fine debossing tip. Now look at what it's going to do. I'm going to hold it towards you.
Oh my, look at that.
So you see that beautiful rose design. This is on a metallic paper. And now for the first time ever, you can scale debossed designs, meaning you can go from 1/2 inch to up to 11.5 inches with a design, just like you can with drawing.
Right.
The drawing function.
More freedom to do different things.
Yes, and the amount of things that you can do this on almost all materials.
Wow.
Which is not just limited to paper.
So totally versatile.
So let's quick snap again. Swap, not snap. All right,
You're kind
press
of
the
swapping
button.
and snapping. You're swapping is what you're
Right.
doing.
So you press and you swap, and then what we're going to is the wavy blade, and this is going to cut right here. It's going to cut paper with a very beautiful uneven, wavy edge. So it's almost like a decal edge on a handmade piece of paper.
Uneven on purpose.
Uneven on purpose.
Yeah.
It does wonders for crepe paper.
All three of these are included, okay, brand new with the Cricut Maker as well. So, I mean, get it now. Really quickly, let me just remind everybody, we have this on FlexPay so people can afford it. It's the top of the line machine, so you know with that comes a little more cost, but you can get this home for $75.99. All your shipping has been reduced. It's new, it's exclusive. This hasn't even come to market yet, and we already have it.
Yeah.
So you already can get it.
We've been planning this for a very long
for a long
time.
time.
It's really exciting to have it here at HSN today. And so Cricut not only released three brand new tools and put it with the Maker. So if it's your day to upgrade from the original Cricut Explorer or the Cricut Explorer Air or Air 2, today's the day because the Maker is going to take you into, it's now and tomorrow. It's for the future of crafting with Cricut.
Yeah.
And one of the things they also did was they did another tool. So there's 4 in total that you can purchase separately. This is the perforation blade. Now this is going to work for tickets, anything you want to tear off, doing a save the date or an RSVP card. It makes a perfect little perforated line.
Rip it off and go?
Rip and go. Isn't that great?
I love that. All right, we're gonna show you all kinds of great demonstrations with this that we're excited about. Before we get to that, I know you got a couple more things you want to talk about.
Just 2
What
things.
are these?
Is
What do
that
you got?
okay?
Yeah.
So, all right, so the
I'm
machine.
just chomping at the bit.
The machine comes
because I love
with-
watching you work this machine.
Okay.
You know that.
So the machine comes with 5 tools, okay?
Yeah.
And so you could get the perforation blade and make that 6. Well, 7, 8, and 9 complete the entire Maker story. When the Maker was released, it was the promise of the adaptive tool system that it would grow. This is the knife blade, and this is the knife blade, and this is the scoring wheel and the double scoring wheel. This also has that quick snap technology, swap, and I'll get that right at some point today. And you can have up to 9 different tools at this very moment.
And we're offering these both in a 2-pack. So these
Separately?
Are they separate?
I don't know.
I've got QuickSwap tools. Well, we'll pull up the item number. We'll make sure you have it. But the other one, the one that we were just talking about, which is the perforation blade, that's only $49.95, and we have that available. Are we gonna start doing some stuff?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's get to work. Let's get busy. If you'd like it again, remember $5 all day to ship all your crafting. So, and we've got lots of other things that we're gonna mention as we go through with Miss Anna Griffin. So, all right, let's get started.
Let's do that.
Let's do that.
So what's amazing about this machine is that on this mat is it's custom painted, so spray painted piece of aluminum.
Okay.
All right, and I have my engraving blade loaded, and it's checking to make sure that it's actually got the right tool. The Cricut Maker is so intuitive that it's not going to let you make a mistake, okay? It's gonna hold your hand through any craft that you wanna make, because we're talking versatility, precision.
Yeah.
We're talking about being able to, what it's doing is it's actually engraving a bicycle design on this aluminum.
I can't wait to see this.
Well, it's going to take a bit.
I know, but it's exciting to watch.
But I can.
So you pulled up the design online.
By
right?
I decided that it would be fun to have, something that really showcased the tool, right? And so we did this one on. This has been engraved on a different color, but you see how the design. If you want to feel this, touch that.
Is it aluminum?
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
But it's engraved in a lot like a trophy. If you're someone that has won a lot of awards,
cool.
you know exactly what this is like, because you're thinking, wow, I can engrave someone's name, I could make a necklace, I could make a tag, I could do all kinds of things that I want to do now with a brand new technology.
Yeah.
So Cricut's going to bring that to you every single time.
And look at the results too, things you could never do without it. It's just, that is amazing. The feel of that. It
Right.
you get to feel that etched, that actually engraved design right on top of it.
So this is metal, so this is gonna hang around for a long time. We have, I'm gonna put this down so that I can show you some other things that we've engraved, because like I said, this is gonna take a few minutes, and one of the things that we all know about the Cricut machine is that it will draw. Right? It'll draw, it'll score, it'll cut, and it really, it's an amazing experience. But when you want to actually engrave an entire quote, a frame, maybe you want to do a plaque for someone that's retiring or graduating.
You can see how this is.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's, I mean, that is actually engraved into the metal. You know what? It's another level.
A whole new,
it's a whole
new day.
It has a whole nother level of crafting. Look at that.
So a friend is someone who reaches for your hand and touches your heart. Now that was something that we designed, okay? So we can, in using Design Space, which is the free software that drives the machine, what you're seeing here is that this is my tablet, and this can drive that software and drive the machine. And you're doing things with the touch of a button. Right? You're looking at projects that are everything from home decor to party designs. Yeah. Like you dream it, you can make it with the Maker.
Yeah, I mean, it really is. The possibilities are endless of what you can do.
So,
look at that.
So what's happening is that in that free software, right, we took, I'll just go back to this so that you can see. We took a floral border. In the software, there's 90,000 images that you can choose from to decide to engrave. Okay, or draw, or cut, or score. And what's so remarkable is that you can use the fonts. There are fonts, over 400 fonts in Design Space. You can pick these. We actually did this in a program called Adobe Illustrator, and so that's actually, we turned it into an SVG file, which is a scalable vector graphic. So if you're advanced, I know you just shook your head, Anna Griffin. What are you talking about? Well,
you said scale a vector graphic to me.
SVG.
Well, hey, that's what you get to look forward to. Well, when you get to that level, right?
It's just advanced, and what that means about it being advanced is that you can upload your own designs, like this beautiful sunflower, into the Design Space, because the software is free, and you can engrave your own designs like we did, okay? And you do that with the touch of a button.
Yeah, look at that. And again, we're talking about different materials. We have aluminum, we have metals here. We're doing all these different things. It's taking it to the next level. And again, you trust the Cricut Maker to do all the other things that we were talking about, but having these other things it can do is just unbelievable. Yeah. It's a perfect day to be able to pick this up because we're including it all, including the 3 brand new tools. We have other tools available, and you can, we'll mention those again later, but we're watching our designs come to life right in front of our eyes. And I would never think that you could do that kind of detailed engraving on, and you're using things like, I mean, look at this.
So I did stop it just so that we could move on and look at what's going to happen.
Just brush away the filings.
I am, but do you see the start of the beautiful bicycle?
Yes.
So that's going to change the way we craft. Just like Cricut has changed the way you think about crafts. The Cricut Maker allows you to make anything you can dream up.
Now that's the engraving tool, correct, that we're using right now. We get you have the 2 other tools. We're going to show you all the different things that you can do in addition to what you maybe already have been doing, but so much more extra with the added tool value package that we've added. Here's some close-ups of how it works. I'm always amazed at the intricacy of the cutting and the devices. I mean, look at the beautifully tooled pieces that go in here. This is all high-end, high-tech stuff. I mean, you know when you get a Cricut Maker what to expect, but now there's even more. Great opportunity at only $75.99 on your credit card to get it home, try it out. Maybe you've always wanted one and you thought you were gonna wait. Well, latest and greatest, and nobody else in the marketplace has this right now. We are the first to have it. So if you're looking for precision cutting and now precision engraving and debossing, you can do all of that all under one roof with one simple purchase today. And you don't have to pay for it all at once. Just use our FlexPay and get it home. Over $80 in savings if you pick it up here with us today. And as we said before, it's not available anywhere else right now. So this is the day to pick it up and get it.
So what you see me studiously doing over here is I'm driving the machine today with my laptop. Now you can use your phone, you can use your tablet, and you can use your laptop. And this is iOS and Android. PC or Mac. And what I'm doing is I'm actually choosing from thousands of materials to make this project. And what's so fun about it is that it's already proven, meaning that Cricut has done all of this rigorous testing on all these different materials, so much so that if I was going to try and engrave on something that is not engravable, okay, it's not gonna let me.
It's too smart.
It's really smart. It's smarter than both of us put together.
You need that because sometimes you may push the envelope a little bit and you're worried about the machine. Do not worry. The machine won't do anything that it can't do. It knows better than to do that. That's why, I think that's one of the reasons they love it too. People can count on it to make up for any mistakes they might make, or, you know?
Yes, well, it's going to hold your hand through all the projects that you want to make. And right now I'm using just a standard piece of cardstock, and oh, and it's done. That's really great. What it did was I used the Wavy blade to create, so now a perfect circle becomes a kind of like a cracker.
It is.
Right? I was just doing a little cupcake topper.
It's a little Ritz cracker
because
you just made there.
we're, yes. I'm doing, if you notice on the table, all the projects that we have, they're all party themed. And so what we did for our presentations today was put together, for every single presentation, I hope you'll watch with us all day long, because you're gonna see something new. You're gonna see things that you didn't even think that the maker could do.
You need more than a day to show, to show all the different designs. We'll give you a few samples of what you did.
Well, this is, so what you want to look at, this is a piece of balsa wood painted pink, all right? And this was cut with the knife blade.
Yeah, and it's thick, everybody. I don't know if you can see just how thick that is. That's heavy duty. Yeah.
It's good. And so we're talking about being able to do iron-on for a birthday girl sash. You can do there you go. You would cut this with the glitter iron-on and iron it onto the sash that you've made. You may do vinyl on a paper bag, and
you did Wavy on the paper, didn't you?
Well, I think it came that way. But I would.
You could though if you wanted.
But if you could hold up those little boxes, one of the things that's really unique about the scoring wheel in the adaptive tool system is going to crease that cardstock perfectly. Does that make sense? Like you're going to pick a box, it's going to, in the click of a button, it's going to cut the box shape. It's going to.
All this work is done.
All that's done. So there's no measuring. There's really only a will. There's no skill required.
Yeah.
And I love that.
Why are you looking at me when you say that?
Well, because you're here with me.
No, let me tell you, and you know this, there are all different skill levels when it comes to, using the Cricut Maker or any other crafting thing. So it's nice to know this can account for all different levels. So whether you're an advanced level or you're just coming into it, the Cricut Maker is going to help you out. And with the new tools, why not get it with the most that it has, right? Why not get everything?
Well, that's what's so, I love being here at HSN because it's always first, it's always the best, and it's everything about crafting here, it just delights me. So that little Wavy wheel, right, this was at the launch of the first Explorer, showing the precision cutting of a perfect circle was one of the most important innovations. Because there are other electronic cutting machines, but this is incomparable to the Cricut Maker. And so to be able to show you that perfect circle with the new tool, with the Wavy blade, now you're able to, now I did this simple on purpose because I wanted you to be able to see the precision that happened. So concentric circles, all with that beautiful new tool.
They're all perfect with the Wavy tool. Hey, let me remind you again, because I know we've got a little bit of time, but we don't, I wish we always wish we had more with Anna, just because there's so much going on with this machine. But we're first to market. Nobody else has this yet. We're the first ones to bring it out to you. And remember, we're giving you the brand new tools. The 3 new tools are included. That is the Wavy tool, which we just showed on the cupcake. Also the debossing and the engraving, which we showed on the aluminum. All these tools are included with this value package. We are $80 under on the value here, so take advantage of that. The colors I have are absolutely beautiful. We have on the end there, we'll start with rose. Next to that would be the blue. In the center is the beautiful lilac, and these are all just beautifully muted pastel type of colors. The one that's in the back there, kind of golden color, that's champagne. And then we have mint, okay? They all do the same thing, but we know that you love colors because you want to be fancy, and we understand that, so you can get these home. It's $75.99. You know, HSN and our sister network QVC, one of the few companies that allow you to pay for things over time without any interest or any of that stuff, so get it home and open up that world. And listen, if you're a crafter and you don't have a machine like this, you know, I don't consider this an indulgence. I think this is something that you really need to have. I mean, this is something that's going to allow you to be so much more creative and so much more precise. And again, on any level, as Anna just said, you know, this will do the thinking for you in so many different ways. Now, what'd you just do? Because you did something and I didn't even know what you did.
I'm just making magic over here.
You put another tip in?
I did.
Which one did you put in?
So now we're on the fine debossing tip.
Okay.
And so this is where we're pressing a design into, I'm using a foil poster board.
You know I craft, but I would even have to ask you, like, I know what embossing is. What's debossing?
Pushing down. Embossing is pushing up, and debossing is pushing down.
You just raised my level of knowledge in crafting. No, but I mean, honestly, but I get now, you know, it makes sense to me when I watch it. I ask questions that some are silly, but some are questions people are going to ask.
Well, yes, and I want to back up to something that you actually said, which I think is really important. So, you know, the Cricut Maker is a considered purchase, because it is something that it's a commitment. But one of the things about it is that it's going to enable, if you have a small business and you make things for a living, this is the tool of choice. If you want to make a house, right? You're an architect and you see what's happening with that. That's the debossing tip at its absolute best. Now, it's working. You can actually see those lines. It's not cutting those lines. It's not drawing them. It's pushing the design into the paper.
I think, you know, the way I look at it, like even in my life, it's like, you know, sometimes I get grief because I'm a skier. So I buy really good skis, right? Because it's something I love to do. I don't consider it like I'm spoiling myself. It's something I really love to do, so I think it's worth it. You're worth it to have something like this. And the best part is it pays you back so much,
It does. It does.
And it never stops.
Well, and Cricut never stops innovating. And one of the things about having the adaptive tool system, when you're looking at the ability to be able to do this, it's actually done, and it's blinking, and it's telling me to load the fine point blade. So let me do that. So one of the things you'll notice is that this opens like this. The QuickSwap housing comes right out of clamp B. The machine is coming with the fine point blade. This goes right back in and locks into place. And it's told me this on my device, meaning that it's ready to cut. It told me it's ready, so just put the blade in, Anna. It's not. It needs a voice to talk to me. Maybe maybe in some wonderful accent. You know, that's all that's necessary.
That's right. Choose your accent.
Yeah.
All right. So in other words, it's not going to go on without you. It does need you to do things, but it waits and it lets you know that something is required.
So what we're making, and I'm sure we're finished now, but we debossed the background of the little Celebrate card. We made a card in a geometric shape, right? Now that's kind of fun. You wouldn't even know where to start to make that on a traditional, paper trimmer.
Sure.
And then we cut the little glitter vinyl to go on the front of the card. We even made the envelope for the card to go in, because when you have something unusually sized, you need the perfect envelope. So Cricut thinks of everything.
Top to bottom, everything out the door.
Top to bottom.
I love that.
I'm going to take this off and we'll look at it. So easy, and you want to take the project away from the mat when you're removing this, and then all the different materials. You see how this is going to come away, and I can make things in great quantity should I choose to.
Yeah.
You just populate the mat. I could have cut this and debossed this on this whole piece of paper.
And we just, like we said, and for time's sake, we're just doing it quickly for you, but really, you can do so much more. New and exclusive. Can't find this anywhere else. This is the place to buy it here at HSN. Take advantage of FlexPay. Take advantage of only $5 to ship everything in your cart today. What are we looking at here, Anna? These are just close-ups of, now those are the controls right there.
Right. And so you see the quick swap housing at work there. That is the traditional rotary blade. Now that does come standard with the machine. Now this is where Cricut reinvented the technology on that XY Y-H axis, right? Remember, like things used to just go up and down and back and forth. Now it's a 360-degree cutting. And if you love to sew, this is where the rubber meets the road.
Check it out.
With the click of a button, just saying, oh, I see the kitty cat pattern from the fabric patterns in Design Space. It's going to draw the seam allowance. It's going to cut the face. It's going to cut all the embellishments, and you're sewing it together. This is my favorite fabric project in all thousands of them.
Adorable.
It's so adorable. But this is where like I said, if you love to quilt, you want to make appliques with the Cricut Maker. That rotary blade is going to do that.
And it gets through everything lickety split. That's what's so nice. It's just so many things. What's this?
So, well, I have so many really beautiful things. So we made this little book. All right, all of this is drawn with the Cricut. So the pin set, we have pin sets that go in clamp A, and so you would pick this design, and the machine's going to draw that for you. It's going to cut this little housing, right? It's a coupon book, and then the perforation blade, right, is going to make yourself a list pad so that you have, it's all about lines. So when in the Design Space software, you're now able to choose cut, draw, score, perf, engrave. You see what I'm saying? Wavy.
Yeah, and it's one machine.
It's a line choice in the software.
That's just, I mean.
It is one machine that does it all.
I mean, when I look at all the different jobs that this machine just did to make that, it's incredible.
So one of the things about, when you think about the Wavy blade, so one of the, we made a traditional bow, all right, for the top of a present. We made the box, we made the wrapping, and you see all those little edges? It looks like a scallop, but it's, it's an irregular design. So when you see like the edges of, it shows up against the paper here, do you see, it looks like the top of a candy box, this does.
Yes.
So all the different types of materials, from poster board to fabric, the Wavy blade is going to act like all the cutting blades, all right? But it's going to give you this very special edge. If you're cutting crepe paper, this is going to give you that beautiful texture that real flowers have.
And it's all about the fine little details that brings it above everything else. Because look at how pretty that is, and all in one. I mean, you're not jumping from tool to. It does all of these things.
Well, and you can jump from tool to tool, tip to tip,
right.
Because all you have to do is pay attention to what the software tells you.
All right, and all that's available online, as we said before. So really unlimited. It's just your own imagination and creativity. We're showing some close-ups of just how precise the Wavy tool is, and you can see. I mean, this is actually really, really cool footage to look at how it works.
Yeah,
like up close like that.
I love how close that is, and look, what they're making, right? They're still building that incredible village. Those are the trees.
Yeah.
We were debossing the bricks on the architectural model. And we just don't see them engraving. So if you're thinking about getting this machine and you know that you want to personalize something for the very first time, doing that on a piece of aluminum or a piece of metal, you can do that with the engraving tip. And then when you look at all the jewelry on this little board, this is such fun. We've monogrammed things, we've done custom designs, we've added jewels. It is such an easy thing to accomplish just by choosing the words.
We showed you dog tags. It could be luggage tags. It could be anything that, remember, we're talking about engraving on metal with that engraving tool. That's all things that you can do with the new tools that we give you. We've shown you the different demonstrations with the Wavy, the debossing, but they're all impressive and they're all included. We are down to about 1 minute remaining on this, and we don't have another presentation for a couple of hours. If you would like to go ahead and order it, it's $75.99 on your credit card. We'll ship it out to you in a week. And obviously, it could be quicker than that. You get it home, and it all opens up to you. All those different things that you wanted to do, complete projects. It works well with other projects or whatever it is that you're doing. It gives you a great sort of a foundation and a start of everything that you need. Now remember, we are giving you all three. So you get the debossing tool, you get the Wavy tool, and you get the engraving tool.
Yes.
We give you your choice of whatever color. Nobody else has these colors yet right now. We have it on FlexPay, and we're doing $5 to ship everything. It's like this 20 minutes went too fast.
It's
for
all
us.
about more tools, more materials, more possibilities
Yeah.
with your Cricut Maker, and only here.
Only here. And if you've always wanted to engrave and do things in metals, we've got some differences.
This
materials.
is the debossing. So I was just showing you some multiple things about how to deboss the design, but the scalability, you see that giant butterfly? I'm gonna show it to you on the metallic paper just to show you what you can do with you can go from 1/2 inch up to 11.5 inches on a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock.
I'm always amazed when I watch you do this stuff because, like, I see this, I see designs and I see stuff in retail and I see all these designs online and I'm like, I can't believe people can really actually do that. When you have this machine, you can, and you can do more than you ever did before.
More than ever.
Ever.
Yes, today.
Today is the day to pick it up. So whether it's large designs or small designs or intricate designs and whatever materials, whatever mediums that you want to use, be it on metal or wood or whatever, I mean, cuts everything.
Right, you don't need a stamp, you don't need an embossing folder, you don't need a cutting die. The machine, like I said, 90,000 images, that's a wonderful investment.
It's brand new and exclusive. Nobody else has it. If you want to get it now, remember you can get it here. We have that beautiful lilac, we have the mint, we have the rose, we have the blue. They're all available today, but only right here at HSN. Also, in our show, we're gonna move right in. You know, we're gonna move right into is the mat. So we're gonna talk about the Cricut True Control Kit. This is the self-healing mat and cutting ruler. I'm gonna follow Anna to where we're going, over to here. Okay,
Sorry,
so
I ran away from you.
That's all right. I know sometimes people do that sometimes. Anyway, this is also a customer pick. In fact, it's 7 out of 9 perfect 5-star reviews. We marked the price down to $44.95. If you're looking for precision cuts, clean and safe cuts every single time, your blade stays sharp. There's better control, better results. You have that patented hands-free blade changing system, which you're going to show everybody, and the self-healing mat. So this is not going to dull your blades. Everything stays sharp. Am I saying something wrong?
No.